Hello guys, support us and subscribe to our channel, give likes and write comments. Today we will read The Unbreakable Bond of Friendship. Well, let's get started. Once upon a time, in the vast ocean, there lived two dolphins named Daisy and Dolly. They were the best of friends and loved to swim and play together every day. They would chase each other through the waves and jump out of the water to catch fish. They were always by each other's side, sharing every moment of their lives. They were like sisters. They loved each other very much, and they were always happy together. One day, while they were swimming, a strong storm came and separated them. Daisy was swept away by the strong currents, and Dolly was left alone and worried. She searched the ocean for her friend, but she couldn't find her anywhere. Dolly missed Daisy terribly. She missed her playful nature and her kind heart. She missed the way Daisy would always be there to comfort her when she was sad. Dolly was heartbroken. She felt like a part of her was missing. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. But Dolly never gave up hope of finding Daisy. She knew that her friend was out there somewhere, and she was determined to find her. Dolly swam through the ocean, searching for Daisy. She asked every dolphin she met if they had seen her, but no one had. Dolly was determined to find her friend. She would not give up until she did. Finally, after many months of searching, Dolly saw a familiar fin in the distance. She swam as fast as she could, and soon she was reunited with her dear friend, Daisy. Daisy had been injured during the storm, but with Dolly's help she recovered. From that day on, they were never separated again, and they spent their days swimming and playing together, grateful for the unbreakable bond of friendship they shared. Daisy and Dolly were a reminder that friendship is one of the strongest bonds in the world. They showed that even when separated, true friends will always find their way back to each other. They taught us that friendship is not just about being there for good times, but also being there for each other during the tough times. They were an inspiration to all the creatures of the ocean, and their friendship was a shining example of the power of love and loyalty. Daisy and Dolly's friendship became legendary among the creatures of the ocean. They were known for their loyalty and love for each other, and many other dolphins looked up to them as an example of a true friendship. They were inseparable, and they spent every day swimming and playing together, exploring the ocean and discovering new places. They would often swim to the open sea and dive deep into the water to discover new and exciting things. They were always there for each other, and their friendship was unbreakable. One day, Daisy and Dolly came across a group of dolphins that were being held captive by humans. The dolphins were being used for entertainment in a water park and were living in small pools with no room to swim or play. Daisy and Dolly could see the sadness in the eyes of their fellow dolphins, and they knew that they had to help them. They knew that captivity was no place for a wild dolphin, and that they deserved to be free. They waited until nightfall and then swam to the water park. Using their intelligence and teamwork, they were able to free the captive dolphins and lead them to safety. The captive dolphins were overjoyed and thanked Daisy and Dolly for their bravery. They were finally able to swim freely in the ocean, and they were grateful to have their freedom back. From that day on, Daisy and Dolly were not just known for their friendship, but also for their courage and compassion. They continued to explore the ocean, but they also became protectors of their fellow dolphins, making sure that they were safe and free. They would often come across dolphins in captivity, and they would do everything in their power to free them and bring them back to the ocean. Years passed and Daisy and Dolly grew old, but their bond never wavered. They passed on their knowledge and experience to the next generation of dolphins, teaching them the importance of friendship, loyalty, and compassion. They would tell them about the importance of freedom and the dangers of captivity. They will always be remembered as an inspiration to all the creatures of the ocean, a shining example of the power of love and loyalty. Their story spread far and wide, and it reached the ears of the humans who captured and kept dolphins in captivity. Some of them were moved by Daisy and Dolly's story, and they decided to release the dolphins and give them back their freedom. And so, thanks to Daisy and Dolly, many dolphins were able to live their lives free in the ocean, just as nature intended. The end. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.